Okay, dance break over. What up, fam? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Jazz. Before we get into much, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we drop a good vlogs like these. Your girl is out Saturday morning running errands. I just went to I went to Target to get this mommy wrap for Andal, because I'm not gonna say he's spoiled, but he does like to be close to you. So you gotta do what you gotta do. And in order to get what I need done and use both of my hands, I need that. So I got that at Target with the Starbucks. Got me some coffee. I was talking on the phone, that's why I didn't open the vlog. But now I'm at the beauty supply store. I need some hair because my sister is about to braid my hair. So I'm about to buy some hair. But also, you guys were asking me where I get my head wraps. So hopefully, actually I had these head wraps last year. These are from last year. So I haven't been here literally in like a year. So I'm gonna see if they have some. But for the most part, I just get them from random beauty supply stores all over town. But yeah, this is what I'm about to do. So let's go. Hope y'all are having a good day. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And make sure you please get a video a big thumbs up. I already said subscribe. But yeah, let's go. So it's 2020 and new life is when you get out your car, you gotta put on your mask. So here's we go. And it is like 500 pigeons out here, y'all. I'm about to show y'all. Hold on. Hold on. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see them. Oh, there they go. Do y'all see that? And when I get out the car, they probably gonna fly. If they, if these birds me, I'm gonna be pissed. Y'all, do y'all see them pigeons? And pigeons are known for the birds. Are you kidding me? Okay. But we gotta go in this store. Make sure, I always make sure I have my hand sanitizer, so every time I touch a door, even my own car door, I hand sanitize my hands. Maybe I should show you guys that, my routine on what I do when I get in and out the car. Cause when I say your girl, make sure them hands is clean. We can't leave the keys in the ignition. Oh, look, y'all. A car just drove by. Okay, so they gone. Oh, here they come. They coming back. Oh my goodness. Jasmine, get your ass out the car. Cause here they come. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm scared. How about I just wait till they land and then I get out? Maybe not, because they keep going in circles. We're going to count to the count of 3 and then we're going to go, y'all. 1, 2. Ooh, they're getting closer to the car. Ah! We're just gonna get out. Come on, y'all. Look. So these are literally the ones I already have. so they don't have any. So now I'm just going to get the hair and get out. I'm gonna call y'all back. First of all, I hope y'all saw that. Pretty much the beauty supply store did not have any more turbans. I have to take y'all to another beauty supply store on another day because right now I'm on my way back home. I got my hair. Y'all, I spent $100 in the beauty supply store. Let me tell y'all, hair is expensive. And for all you people out there, blessed, that are wishing for us to have a girl, well, between me and Deb, we already have 2 daughters, but for us to have a girl in our actual household, we already have 5 boys with heads full of hair. Plus mine, that's 6 heads of hair. I just spent $100 in the beauty supply store and I didn't even get nothing but some shampoo and conditioner and my little packs of hair that I'm finna get braided in. Oh, that was nothing. But yeah, hair is expensive. So when I pull up at home, or when I get home, I will show you guys what all I got from the beauty supply store. If you have been here before, you know I love the beauty supply store. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. And I'm finna get ready to call y'all bike so I can drive and jam to some tunes.
I never hold the camera before, Mommy.
You have held the camera before. Oh, well, this I already showed them that. But that, can they see it, Aiden Fritz?
Yeah.
That.
It's looking at his face.
And that's what we got from Target.
Target?
Target.
Target.
And this what I got at the beauty supply store.
I do it.
What, you want to show the fam?
No. Hair?
Yep, we got some hair.
Yeah. There's one more hair.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, can I do it?
What?
I want to do it.
No, you can do it next time. Hair you gotta come over here. Can you see hair polish? Not hair polish, hair products.
Hair.
What's that? More hair products. Stop being loud.
This looks like shampoo.
Yep, it is.
Whoa. Not shaving cream.
No, not shaving cream. Stop.
What are you doing?
Edge control.
Ash control.
Edge
no,
control.
don't. Ash control. No. Oh,
lots of earrings.
Lots of earrings.
Yeah.
Those are a lot. A bunch.
I like earrings.
Hey. And I like earrings.
A comb.
3. A comb. Purple comb.
Mm-hmm. And some oil.
Oil.
Yep, that's it.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
I can't show
Thanks for holding the camera.
I can't show them.
Tell the fam thanks for watching.
Show them interesting. Can I do it too?
Excuse his dirty shirt, but he wanted to show you guys his picture.
This is my, I was walking on this.
Good job.
I'm trying to too.
No, you can hold it next time. You are so dirty. We about to get you, and you gotta get your hair done.
My hair done?
Yeah, your hair done. Tell the fam thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah, you can show them my hair. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Show them the back. Show them the hair and what color she got. She got that blue.
White and blue. And
Can they see it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. You woke now. You was just asleep. You fake, dun. Look at you looking at you. What you doing? We doing hair?
At the same time.
Yes, we doing hair, period.
You learning something? Get your hands in here.
Get your hands in here.
We doing hair, period.
It's giving Jack Frost.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Winter Wonderland.
Merry Christmas. Oh, I ain't even think about that. Oh, snap. We done named this up.